Manufacturers worldwide turn to Gasbarre when they need equipment and support from a company that understands their business. From powder compaction presses and tooling to industrial furnaces and heat treating equipment, Gasbarre is a full-service supplier of start-to-finish capital equipment for a wide range of industries and manufacturing processes with an extensive product offering like no other. Gasbarre Powder Compaction Solutions is the industry leader for all things related to powder compaction presses, automation, precision tooling, and ancillary powder compaction products. Gasbarre's diverse press offering includes uniaxial mechanical, hydraulic, electric, and cold isostatic presses. Available in capacities from 2 to 1,000 tons for simple to complex multi-level components. No other company in the world offers the selection of presses and the full range of accessory products that Gasbarre does. Also available are a full line of sintering and heat treating furnaces for post-compaction needs, allowing Gasbarre to take on virtually any powder compaction process from start to finish as a single, focused, and reliable partner. As a longtime FANUC authorized systems integrator, Gasbarre has the right experience for your automation needs, providing start-to-finish management of your product and backed by a commitment to 100% customer satisfaction. Our highly experienced engineering team can help take your next automation project from concept to reality. To complement its press and automation products, Gasbarre offers precision machining and tooling components for varying levels of applications, whether large or small. With manufacturing tolerances as low as 1/10,000th of an inch, Gasbarre provides its customers precision, accuracy, and repeatability. Gasbarre's experienced design and process engineers are at your service to help improve the workflow, productivity, and profitability of your business. Gasbarre Thermal Processing Systems offers a full spectrum of industrial heat treating equipment, engineering, technology, and commercial-based solutions to customers around the globe. Gasbarre offers a comprehensive line of industrial furnaces that range from batch furnaces to continuous furnaces in both atmosphere and vacuum configurations, OEM industrial furnace parts, fabrications, and services to keep your operation consistently productive and profitable. This, accompanied with a genuine commitment to customer satisfaction, makes Gasbarre the perfect long-term partner for all of your heat treating equipment requirements. Gasbarre Manufacturing Technologies provides custom design machinery, fabrications, assemblies, machining, design, integration, and more to customers in a vast array of industries. Gasbarre engineers, technicians, and assemblers have extensive experience in mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic applications, providing an unbeatable breadth and depth of experience in manufacturing expertise. Gasbarre is the perfect choice for companies seeking a manufacturing partner. Presses and automation, tooling, industrial furnaces, manufacturing and fabrication. Gasbarre stands alone as a full-service supplier with the ability to offer equipment and services for all applications related to powder compaction, thermal processing, and manufacturing technologies. No matter what the challenge, Gasbarre will deliver the best, technically engineered solution to fit your processing needs.